Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English. Today I am going to take a class for class 3. Our subject is English Literature and our topic is English for Today book Unit 1. So let's look at the book. Unit 1, lessons 1, 2 and 3. Greetings and introductions. Please look at the picture. See, there's a girl and a boy standing wearing school uniforms and they're getting introduced to each other. Hi, I'm Ria. Hello, I'm Mashu. They're greeting each other at school. Let's look at the next picture. They're in the classroom and this is their teacher. They're greeting their teacher in the classroom. Please say with me. Hello, Mrs. Farhana, how are you? They say. And the teacher says, hello, Ria and Mashu. I'm fine, thanks. Let's look at the next lessons. Lessons 4 to 6. Introducing a student. Let's look at the text here. Hello, I'm Ria Islam. So this girl in the picture is Ria and she is introducing herself. I'm 8 years old. I'm a student. I'm in class 3 at Rajbari Primary School. So she gave some information about herself to introduce herself. Let's look here. Read the sentences, write T for true or F for false. The sentences given here are not all correct. Some sentences are correct and some are incorrect. If the sentence is correct, we will write T for true, and if the sentence is incorrect, then we will write F for false. Okay. Number 1. The girl's name is Rima. But here in the text it says she is Ria Islam. So this information is wrong. So we will write F for false. Number 2. She is 9 years old. But in the text we can see that she is 8 years old. So this is also false. Let's write F for false. Number 3. She is a student. This information is correct. She is a student. So this sentence is true. So we will write T here. She is in class 2. Next sentence. The text says she is in class 3. So this sentence is also false. Number 5. She is at Mirpur Primary School. But her school's name is Rajbari Primary School. So this sentence is also false. So we will write F here. Okay dear students, I hope you did the work with me. See you in the next class. Stay fine. Allah Hafiz.